Happy 18th birthday, Dana.
Yan, ang wish namin sa iyo, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo. Ayun, sana lahat ng wish natin sa buhay, makamit natin, matupad lahat ng wish natin, buong pamilya. Isa lang naman wish natin maging success tayo lahat, magkakapatid, lahat ng kamag-anak natin. Mahal na mahal ka ni Kuya, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Hi, Ate Dana. May all your wishes and dreams come true and always find the courage to pursue them. I wish you all the best, Ate. Happy 18th birthday.
There's a glow off the pavement. You walk me to the car, and you know I wanna ask.
Na happy 18th birthday. Continue mo lang kung ano yung goal na gusto mong marating. Walang dahilan para hindi mo yun maabot. Meron kang mga very supportive na parents. Siyempre, meron ka rin very supportive na mga kapatid. So, yun na lang, hindi ka pwede na mabarkada sa pangit. Pangit ang... I mean, hindi sa kalyuan. Sa, pangit na barkada. So, once again, happy 18th birthday. I love you.
'Cause I don't know how it gets better than this. You take my hand and drag me head first, fearless. And I don't know why, but with you I dance in a storm in my best dress, fearless.
Happy 18th birthday, Dana. Alam kong masaya si Sir Paul ngayon sa mga achievements mo sa buhay. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga nasimulan mo.
You pull me in and I'm a little more brave. It's the first kiss, it's flawless, really something. It's fearless.
Happy 18th birthday ulit, Dana. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay yung makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Alam ko naman na meron ka ng crush ngayon. At dyan lang yung nanliligaw sa'yo. Maging inspirasyon mo lang siya, pati sila mama tsaka si papa. Ayun, yun na lang. Happy birthday. We love you.
And I don't know why, but with you I dance in a storm in my best dress, fearless. 'Cause I don't know how it gets better than this. You take my hand and drag me head first, fearless. And I don't know why, but with you I dance in a storm in my best dress, fearless.
Happy birthday, Bunso. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Alam mo yan. Lahat ng pwede namin gagawin namin para suportahan ka. Huwag kang magpapasaway. Huwag mo na magjojowa. Baka bukas may jowa ka nang ipakilala. Talaga. I love you. Mag-enjoy ka lang ngayong araw.
I can see out of the window a whole new world, something I've never seen, a place beyond our wildest dreams.
Bunso, happy birthday. Basta lahat ng pangarap mo, Bunso, nandito lang kami palagi ni Papa. Kahit ano pa yan, ang laki ng tiwala ko sa'yo. Alam ko kayang-kaya mo to pa rin lahat. Happy birthday, I love you na.
Tomorrow's a fire, it's igniting, the world is shining, bright as gold now, a brighter world is right before our eyes now.
So, happy 18th birthday, Bunso. Ayan na, dalaga ka na. Alam mo naman na yung tama sa mali at ikaw pa nga nagtuturo sa akin ng tama at mali, di ba? So, alam mo na yan. Magtapos ka ng pag-aaral, ha? Nandito lang lagi si ate. I love you.
It's glowing in the night, sparks reflecting like embers in the sky, a golden age, a tower.
Happy birthday, Bunso! We love you! Ngayon nak, 18 ka na. Dalaga ka na. Mabait na anak. Pero sana mas mabait pa rin. Kahit dalaga ka na ha. Wala mo ng boyfriend ha. Boyfriend mo muna si Papa. Marami pang kuya ha. Love you nak.
It's right before our eyes now. Begins to come alive now. Our dreams ignited like a fire. Tomorrow's burning, burning brighter. It's right before our eyes now.
Happy birthday, Tito Dana!
We love you!
Wearing our first gown tonight, turning 18 years old tomorrow. Everybody, let's put our hands together to the beautiful, gorgeous debutante, Dana!